Welcome. Today you will learn how to use a multimeter. Please use the gloves before starting the process. Great. Do you see the multimeter on the table? Touch it to continue. Okay, now grab the black cable. Now snap the black cable lead into the jack labeled COM or common in the multimeter. Now let us measure DC voltage. To measure DC voltage, grab the red cable. Now snap the red cable lead into the highlighted jack. Good. Now touch the dial to set it to measure the DC voltage. Great. Now grab the multimeter in place, snap the multimeter on the highlighted area of the table in front of you. Now grab the black terminal of the black cable with your left hand. Grab the red terminal of the red cable with your right hand. Very good. Now touch the black terminal to the negative point in the battery and the red terminal to the positive point in the battery. Superb. Do you see the reading on the screen indicating the DC voltage? Note down your reading. Let us now learn how to measure current using a multimeter. To measure current, touch the dial in the multimeter to set it to measure the current amp setting. Now, grab the red lead and snap it to the highlighted amp, a jack. Now grab the red terminal with your right hand and touch the highlighted part of the wire. Now grab the black terminal with your left hand and touch the highlighted part of the wire. Superb. Do you see the reading on the screen indicating the current in amperes? Note down your reading. Great. This concludes our simulation on learning how to use a multimeter experience. Feel free to go through it again or jump back to the home page and try a different experience.